Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how we can fix error could not load type from assembly, and here it says AuthorizeNet version 1.0.0. So guys, you can have different error, like you may not have the same error, but you can have different type here and then the different assembly. So what we have to check guys, if you get this error and you are getting the version 1.0.0.0, then maybe some of your third party libraries are conflicting with your project name. Okay, so now what I mean by that is, so I was creating this project for Authorize.Net payment gateway, and for that I installed the AuthorizeNet package, but at the same time I also kept the name of the project as AuthorizeNet. Now what happens is, the third party package that I installed creates a DLL AuthorizeNet.dll, and the project name is also the same, so that will also create the AuthorizeNet.dll. So in that case what will happen is, only one of them will remain there and the other will not be there because both have the same name. So in that scenario, when we will try to use that third party package, we will receive this error that it is not able to find the package library which is it is looking for. So what you have to do is, you just have to check, like there can be other reasons also, like the negative package is not installed or the DLL is not available, but you just have to make sure the package showed in the error doesn't exist as the project name there in your project. Okay, so like if it is the same name, then what you can do is you can go to properties, and here it says assembly name, and we can modify the assembly here. Okay, and then we can just save that, and now we can rebuild the solution. So what it will do is, it will create the assembly with a different name, and the third party package now will not conflict with the um, project DLL. Okay, so now I am just running the application, and this time we will see we will not get the same error which we were getting earlier. So if in your scenario, this basically you will notice when you will see the version error 1.0.0. If you have like any other version mentioned there, then maybe you don't have the same error which I'm showing on the screen. Okay, so in those scenario you have to check the nugget packages, like if you have the DLL in the bin folder. So you can go to bin and then you can check the error, that the DLL mentioned in the error is here or not, and if not available, then you can install that using nugget package. So that will be the way to fix that error. But in this specific scenario where we just have the same names, we have to modify the assembly name, and then it will work fine. So it is now reaching here. Earlier it was giving the error on that same screen, so now it has got the different error. Okay, so that error got fixed now. So this is how you can fix the error. So let us know if that fixed for you, and thank you.